Good morning, trader. Let's dive into today's topic on the cash secured put strategy in options trading with a focus on applying it to cryptocurrency in the USA. I will cover the basic how it works for crypto, noting regularity nonsense, ways to achieve minimum profit, a step-by-step trading process, a practical example and diagram for visualization. Then I will highlight 5 growth stocks with their current prices. As of market close on January 16th, 2026, analyst target prices, strong fundamentals, government support, acquisition and growth drivers. Cash secured put strategy overview. A cash secured put is a conservative incoming generating option strategy where you sell write a put option on an underlying asset fit while setting aside enough cash to purchase the assets. If the option is exercised, assigned, it is a bullish to neutral in outlook. You collect a premium upfront as income, and if the asset's price stays above the strike price at expiration, the option expires worthless, letting you keep that full premium as profit. If the price drops below the strikes and you are assigned, you buy the asset at the strike price minimum the premium, effectively lowering your cost basis. This strategy is popular for generating yield on cash reserves or acquiring assets at a discount. Risk is limited to the difference between the strike price and zero minus the premium. But since you secure it with cash, there is no margin borrowing involved in the USA. It is available through regulated brokers like Fidelity, Soft or Interactive brokers, but require options approval, typically level 2 or higher. For cryptocurrency, direct spot crypto options are not widely available to US retail traders due to regulations, e.g., SEC and CFTC oversight. However, you can apply the strategy using options on spot Bitcoin ETFs, e.g., iShares, Bitcoin Trust, IBIT. We stock Bitcoin's price and have SEC approved options trading. These are cash settled or share delivered, providing indirect crypto exposures. Platform like Derbit offer crypto options but are offshore and restricted for US residents. Tied to US regulated exchange like NASDAQ or NYSE for compliance. Bitcoin futures options on CME or another cash settled alternative, but ETF options are more accessible for retail. How to get minimum profit? The minimum profit in a cash secured put is the premium you receive when selling the put, which you keep if the option expires. Out of the money, OTM, that is asset price, strike price. This is guarantee income regardless of assignment minus commissions or fees to minimize profit while reducing risk. Sues for OTM strikes lower premium but higher charge to experience worthless. Aim for 1 to 3% annualized yield on the secured cash for conservative plays. In volatile crypto markets, premiums can be higher, 5 to 10%, but assignment risk increase. Increases use tools like option sales on Thinkorswim or Yahoo Finance to scan for premiums yielding at least 2 to 5% on your cash outlay. Trading step-by-step process in the USA. Get approval and set up open a brokerage account easy, SOP, Fidelity with options trading enabled deposits. Cash, no margin needed for cash secured. Ensure level 2 approval for selling puts. Riches, the underlining for crypto, select a Bitcoin ETF like IBIT tracks BTC price, average price, charts volatility, use '19 or implied volatility or new CEG halving events regulations. Aim for assets you are bullish on long term. 3. Choose strike and expiration. Pick on OTM strike below current price. Easy 5 to 10% lower for for frequent income longer 1 to 3 months. For higher premiums, check implied volatility. Higher means bigger premiums. 4th, calculate cash reserve. Reserve cash, strike price, multiply 100 shares per contract. For example, $50 strike requires 100 equal $5,000 per contract. Sell the put, place a sell to open order per the put. Collection premium immediately is $2 per share. That means $200 per contract. 6. Monitor and manage. Track the position. If price drops near strike, consider rolling close and reopen at lower strike for the expiration or letting it ascend. Use alerts for price threshold. 7. Close or expire. If OTM at expiration, pocket premium if the money ITM get assigned, and buy shares or ETFs, units sell or hold as needed. Tax consideration. Premiums are short-term capital gains held. 1 year assignments adjust cost basis. Consult a tax advisor for USA rules. Easy was fail avoidance. Practical process with example. Let's use a real world crypto example with IBIT Bitcoin ETFs. Assume current IBIT price $60. Tracking BTC at $95,000. You want minimum profit via premium. Step 1. You have $5,000 cash and are bullish on BTC long term but expect short term dips. Step 2. Select a 1 month put with $55 strike. OTM 8% below current. Premium 1.50 cent for $1.50 share. That means $150 contract. Step 3. Sell 1 put contract, receive $150 premium, secure $5,500 cash, but you only need $5,500 excess for buffer. Outcome 1 minimum profit If IBIT $55 at expiration option expires, profit $150. That is 2.7% return on secured cash annualized. 32% outcome to assigned. If IBIT drops to $50 assigned by 100 shares at $55, that means $5,500 cost, but net basis $53.50. That means $55 minus $1.50 premium. If IBIT rebounds to $60, sell for $600 profit. Risk maximum loss if IBIT goes to $0 is to $5,350. That means $5,500 minus $150. Break even $53.50. Execution use broker of sets IBIT options exchange. Selected put sell to open monitor via app notifications. This yields minimum profit of 150 if unassigned with potential to own BTC exposure at a discount. Graphics diagrams. Here a payoff diagram showing potential profit loss for cash secured put. Green line profit assumes $100 strike, $5 premium. Maximum profit is the premium is price. Strike loss increase below break even. Strike premium. This is the diagram. Cash secured put $5,000 more maximum profit. Break even $45 and $40, $50, $60 maximum loss. You will pursue and find out what is what. And another view of the strategy, a risk reward profit profile highlighting the break even point and assignment zone. A simple graph illustrating upside limited to premium versus downside protection via cash reserve. This is also one diagram. Cash secured put. And 5 growth stocks, equity shares with present price, target price, strong fundamentals, government support, acquisition and growth drivers. I have selected these based on strong fundamentals, e.g. high ROE, revenue growth, US government support, e.g. subsidize, contracts, recent acquisition and growth via innovation, market expansion, prices of as a January 16, 2026 close targets or average analyst estimates. Company ticker present price USD, target price USD, market cap USD, strong fundamentals, government support, acquisition, how they grow. Nvidia $186.10. This is market price. Target price $253.02 and 4.531 trillion. High margins like 50% high growth, 50% EPS growth, dominate AI chip market share. CHIPS Act subsidies for US semiconductor manufacturing, fast acquisition like Melanos attempted or blocked but shows M&A strategy. AI data centers demand drives 100% plus YoY revenue expands via software CUDA, CUDA and new chips for autos, robots. Another Tesla company. This is market price is 437.52, 411.15, and assets strong balance 1.455 trillion, strong balance sheet 20% plus margin, vertical integration or IRA, EV tax credits, government loans for factories, acquired Solar City, recent AI, robotics firms, EV sales, plus anatomy robotaxi, energy storage, mega pack scale targets 50% annual vehicle growth, Micron, MU 362.75, market price, target price 303 to market price 408 billion dollar, robust R&D 10% plus of revenue, memory tech leadership, chips act grants $6 billion for US fabs, acquired Taiwan plant for $1.8 billion, boost capacity, AI, SBM, demand surges, memory sales 50% plus, expands US production for supply chain resilience. GV Vernova 681.55, target price 753.66, $185 billion, stable cash flows, 15% plus ROE in renewables. IRA clean energy incentives, power grid funding, acquired LM wind power, recent energy tech deals, energy transaction, wind nuclear plus AI power needs growth via actions of and great upgrades. Another Palantir $108 EST based on recent performance, $140 target EST, analyst average $250 billion, recurring revenue 90% plus, AI software scalability, US government contracts, defense intelligence, acquired Propeller, health data analytics firms, AI platforms, expand commercial 200% plus growth, government deals provide stability for global scaling. These stocks benefits from macro trends like AI and clean energy, with government tailwinds accelerating growth. Please like, subscribe and comment. Another video is there, that is your hot touch video.
Cash secured puts are a popular strategy in crypto options trading, where traders sell put options while holding enough cash to purchase the underlying asset if required. This approach can generate steady income through premiums or allow investors to acquire cryptocurrencies at preferred prices. When evaluating minimum profit expectations, factors such as option premiums, strike prices, and the inherent volatility of cryptocurrencies must be carefully considered, as both potential gains and risks are amplified in this market. Looking ahead to 2026, top growth stocks include Nvidia, Eli Lilly, Advanced Micro Devices, Walt Disney, and Insulet, each positioned for significant expansion due to their leadership in AI, pharmaceuticals, entertainment, and healthcare technology. These companies are forecasted to outperform, reflecting strong market positions and promising growth trajectories. The cash-secured call strategy is a popular approach in options trading.
Another is mine. Please creators, only creators, Google Ads subscribe plus grow your channel. That is my sincere advice. This is not affiliated program. And this is mine. Please like, share, subscribe and comment. That is enough. We will meet next video. Thank you very much once again.